Welcome to Batangas City in Batangas and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The name Batangas City originates from the Tagalog term Batangan, meaning big logs, once abundant along the Kalumpang River. Batangas is also acknowledged as the heart of the Tagalog language within the southern Tagalog region, where Tagalog serves as the primary language. The Tagalog people were the predominant ethnic group in the region, forming small barangays. These barangays were self-governing communities led by a local ruler or datu. Fishing, agriculture, and trade were essential aspects of their livelihoods. The fertile land and abundant water resources in Batangas made it conducive to agriculture, while its coastal areas facilitated maritime activities. Anthropologist Robert Fox's extensive field studies reveal pre-colonial Batangueños engaging in trade with China, India, and Japan between the 13th and 15th centuries. In the late 14th century, Datu Puti of Borneo established the first Malay village along the edge of Taal Lake, marking the initial settlement in Batangas. After Spanish generals Martin Tegoiti and Juan Salcedo entered Batangas in 1570, towns like Taal, Batangas, the present capital, Balayan, and Lipa were established. Spanish missionaries arrived 2 years later, and Batangas City became the provincial capital in 1754. The Spanish influence gradually spread throughout Batangas, leading to the establishment of Catholic missions and the conversion of the local population. The residents of Batangas actively participated in the resistance against Spanish colonization during various uprisings and revolts. During World War II, Batangas City suffered significant damage from Japanese forces, leading to the destruction of the airport, municipal offices, and public works. The city played a vital role in the Philippine Liberation Campaign, with Filipinos and American troops collaborating against the Japanese. On June 21, 1969, Batangas City gained city status. Known for its active participation in trade and manufacturing, the city has seen major infrastructure projects, including the Batangas City International Container Port, the Southern Tagalog Arterial Road, and the South Luzon Expressway. Famous for its handcrafted balisong, or fan knife, a traditional piña fiber made from pineapple leaves, Batangas City showcases Filipino craftsmanship. The city's coastal areas offer a diverse selection of seafood, including tambakol, or yellowfin tuna, tulingan, or bullet tuna, tanigue, or Spanish mackerel, tawilis, or freshwater sardine, bangus, or milkfish, and tilapia. Additionally, Batangas City is renowned for its organic cattle raising, supported by expansive grasslands, making it a hub for high-quality beef production. Today, Batangas City stands as the largest urban center in the province of Batangas, renowned for its bustling trade port and flourishing sugar and coconut plantations, recognized as the industrial port city of Calabarzon, composed of Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. It stands as one of the country's top-earning cities, hosting major oil refineries, the largest sugar plantation, Central Azacarera, Don Pedro, and 3 power plants.